Audio Jungle.
In this video, we are going to talk about the most precious thing on earth, water. So, how much usable water is there on earth? Most of the water on earth is in the oceans.
which is about 97.2% of total water.
And of the remaining 2.5% is fresh water.
And of the remaining 2.5% fresh water, we have
70% is frozen in glaciers and polar caps.
About 30% is groundwater and 0.3% is surface water.
all the water we have above ground is surface water, which includes the rivers, the streams, and the lakes. The amount of frozen water is significant, but it isn't available for human use in a regular way. Finally, the groundwater. It's invisible to us, but it is much more reliable and easier to obtain than frozen water. Due to the industrialization and population growth, demand for fresh water skyrocketed in the last century. The water from these sources is often contaminated and needs to be purified. Here's where we need the
Chemical engineers.
chemical engineers clean the water by passing it through various chemical and physical processes in purification plants. So, where is all that water going? Agriculture accounts for roughly 70% of the global water consumption. 22% of all the fresh water worldwide goes to industrial uses, which includes production of electricity, extraction of fossil fuels, and manufacturing of all manner of goods, from paper to microchips to plastic. 8% of the water is what we use for domestic uses like cooking, cleaning, bathing, and drinking. And this is how we produce a lot of waste. Wastewater can originate from a combination of domestic, industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities, and from sewer inflows. The wastewater may contain pathogens such as bacteria, parasitic worms, organic matter, drugs, pharmaceuticals, sand, metal particles, emulsions, paints, oils. Hence, it should be made free from these effluents before discharging into water bodies. This is again where chemical engineers come into the picture. The wastewater is treated in effluent treatment plants where it again undergoes numerous physical, chemical, and biological processes. The water is then discharged to the nearest water body, but only after it is tested to ensure that it is safe to do so. This was an aspect of our daily lives where chemical engineers play a huge and vital role. With this, we hope you will do your utmost to save our most precious resource, because jal hai to kal hai. On this note, we sign off. Thank you for watching.